right, starting a new job today. Got the new grandfather on site. Mr. Wesley, greatest landscape designer in the world out here. What we got going on, Wes? What we building today?
So here's the before. Here's the current situation we got going. 27-year-old above ground pool. That's gone today. Some site prep. Here's what it's gonna be, at least from a 2D standpoint. So what we got going. Pool goes away, new in-ground free-form pool. Pretty much from the start of where that pool is now, all the way down to getting close to these trees. 900 square foot in-ground pool. Arctic spa, hot tub's gonna be sitting right there, right where Eric just walked through, right off the deck. Hot tub there. About 1,600 square foot of patio around the whole thing. It's gonna be amazing when it's done.
It always is.
At the job site, digging some downspouts to a pit. Whoa! Okay, let's try this again, Bobby. I was on time lapse. We got a couple downspouts to tie in together to a pit that comes down here about where the skid loader is. Move the chicken coop. It's gonna be moved again, probably back here. We're gonna have boulder walls here. Pool about this high. Pool guys marked it out yesterday, so we're gonna hopefully be digging on Thursday. Yeah, the ground a good bit. Stockpile some soil there. Here's what she looks like.
So I haven't been out here since this bad boy started, and I don't believe that anybody got me any footage, Matt, while they're out here. But still got the chickies chilling and the goat. And now we're starting our work in cold, although it's not that cold today. December, mud, but pool is in. Now it's time for us to work our magic. Check it out, y'all. Got some goats. Look, Tom Brady.
Let's go! Let's go!